Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great. This is Maggie from Rome. Today, I would like to share with you another episode with the home remedies for diarrhea. It can cause from some sort of bacterial infection or from food allergies or food poisoning, etc. etc. Mild form of diarrhea gets better from home remedies. Today, what I am going to share with you, an old traditional Indian way of curing diarrhea. The basic recipes: tea and lemon. Alright, we'll get into it. Take a half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of tea powder. Make a strong tea. Take juice from half a lemon or 1 full lime. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all well and take twice a day. The result will be in about an hour. If needed, of course, take another cup of tea half an hour later. If diarrhea lasts more than 2 weeks, please consult your doctor. Remember, health is your wealth, so stay healthy. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Make sure like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon so you will be notified my another episode of Home Remedies.